Welcome to the live working video of kernel for novel group files to Exchange software. To sustain the productive business environment, organizations are deploying the intelligent emailing solutions such as Novel Group Files, Microsoft Exchange Server, MS Outlook, etc. The competitive IT infrastructures demand migration in all verticals, and urgent business requirements can be one such reason for migrating Novel Group Files to Exchange Server. Kernel for Novel Group Files to Exchange is a handy solution engineered with the rich features to provide an effortless data migration. Let's get acquainted with the email migration procedure of how Kernel for Novel Group Files to Exchange actually works. When you launch Kernel for Novel Group Files to Exchange software, it appears something like this. The software has a very minimalistic design and welcoming interface, offering two different modes for executing Novel Group Files to Outlook Exchange data migrations. That are single mailbox / multiple mailbox using proxy or multiple mailboxes using batch file. Select the first option to initiate the migration of single or multiple group files mailboxes to Exchange Server, Outlook, or Office 365. The software also offers pretty useful options like use default, online, caching mailbox path, etc. to offer a totally user-convenient data migration. Now let's proceed with the pre-selected Use Default option to execute the migration of default opened group files mailboxes. Click Next to proceed further. As you can see, the software automatically extracts the default group files mailbox and renders them in a hierarchical structure. To get the detailed information, you can also select and open any folder like Sent Items, Calendars, Contacts from the left panel. Let's go back to inspect other connectivity modes for data migration. Once you have decided to continue with the login mode option, you can now choose any of the three alternatives given here. Select the online option and then specify the information into user ID, password, address, and port fields. Checkmark Use Proxy Access box to gain access of authoritative proxy user access rights. Click Next. Check out the multiple group files mailboxes that the software has rendered after enforcing the proxy access. Let's go back to try other options of login mode. Select the remote mailbox path to gain remote access. Click the Browse button to select the part of the remote mailbox. Browse through the folders and disk drives and then select the desired location. Let's go back to see more functionalities. If you want to migrate the archived items, then select Show Archive button and then select Specify Archive Path to manually browse the archived emails. Coming back to the online option of login mode to perform the data migration, submit the credentials in user ID, password, address, and port field, and proceed further with the next button. The software then offers the preview of items contained in group files mailboxes. Click on Export button and then click Save to Live Exchange / Office 365 option to save emails in Exchange or Office 365 mailbox. Now specify the valid credentials in the domain name, username, and password fields. Similarly, if you want to export group files mailboxes to Office 365, then select Office 365 option and then fill up the credentials in the user ID and password fields. To save emails in Outlook PST format, select Save in PST and click OK. Under the export options, browse the PST folder path or make the new folder to save the results. Click OK. Lastly, click Export button to initiate the data migration. Wait until all the group files mailboxes are migrated in Outlook PST file. And this is how you can effortlessly migrate group files mailboxes to Outlook, Office 365, and to Live Exchange Server. Thanks for watching the video.